Hello YouTube. So today I'm up here on Antflat Road in northern Utah, and let me show you. So there's Antflat Road and then the upper part of the Blacksmith Fork River. But what I want to show you guys is this cool waterfall. So a lot of people that have been on this know this area, know this waterfall's here, but you can't see it from the road. And it's just like one of my favorite spots up here. Check that out. There's Amber. Isn't that cool? I'm gonna go around the other side. So a lot of this river goes through private property, but they've got fisherman's access right here. See if I can make it down here without. Super cool in here. Yeah. And then look how clear this water is. Hopefully you can see that. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And as time goes, hopefully I get better at this, but we'll see you later.